Hollywood actress Iyabo has shared that she was invited by Nigeria's Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) because of what happened at her daughter's recent wedding. The event took place in April 2025 when Iyabo daughter, Priscy married Tanzanian singer Juma Jukes in a grand ceremony in Lagos. Many guests at the wedding sprayed cash, including naira and foreign currencies, on the couple and Iyabo. After speculations about the money spent in the party, the actress said she received a letter while she was in the United Kingdom. As soon as she returned to Nigeria, she went to the EFCC's office on the 5th of May 2025. Iyabo explained on Instagram that the EFCC asked her many questions. These include her personal details, her businesses, and especially what happened at her daughter's wedding. Allegedly, they even showed her videos from the event. The actress said she was surprised when officials told her that spraying any currency, not just naira, is illegal in Nigeria. She said she had thought only mutilating or damaging naira was a crime. Although she was allowed to go home the same day, Iyabo said a lawyer stayed behind just in case she needs to return. She also advised Nigerians to stop spraying money at events to avoid legal trouble. Many fans reacted online and said there are bigger problems in the country than spraying money. Do you think money spraying at parties should be banned? Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. And keep watching Naija News TV.